with your quiet voice and impeccable
Hi everybody, and welcome to the Animish Baby Parents. I've got a store for you to look at. It's Kit Kat, and she has made some very unique items, she being Madison Scoot. And the store is new, and it's soon will be filled with a whole bunch of merchandise. But she's got some things of note that I wanted to bring out to you. This is the name Kit Kat, the picture that you will see in the HUD. And the things that she has that are really interesting to me is these shirts. I have never seen them on anybody else's brand before. And so they are the long sleeve undershirts, yeah. And so it's very interesting to me, these items that people may want and love. And she also has a group, Kit Kat Zuby Baby VIP. And so she doesn't have a sign yet to join in the store, but just IM her and she'll send you an invite. And the other thing that I wanted to show you, because the store is real pretty, but like I said, she'll have merchandise filled up on these walls in no time, is these eyes. They are so beautiful. And she must probably sell eyes for adults, so you can get matching eyes, like mommy and me or daddy and me. But they are beautiful. Gorgeous. So those are the items that I found of interest in Kit Kat, and I will post the location in my description of the video. So we love you guys as usual, and stay safe, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.